Hello, my lovely students. Welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, we will learn about the new topic of GK. But before that, please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Imagine if your teacher takes you out to the garden, what do you observe there? Yes, birds, trees, flowers, and plants as well, and many more things. Similarly, today we are going to visit around the world. Chapter number 3 is Around the World. Humans are capable of doing some amazing things. One of the best examples of our achievements as a race are the buildings and structures that have been built by us. Some of these can be so stunning and mind blowing that it almost becomes hard for us to believe that they have been constructed by us. Let's talk about museums. Kids, many of you must have visited to National Museum. That is one of the largest museums in Delhi. Now, what is a museum? A building in which objects of historical, scientific, cultural interest are stored and exhibited. Now, what is the meaning of historical? Historical is related to the past. Scientific means that is related to science. Why do you visit museums? Museums make you feel good, they make you smarter as they give you knowledge and you learn so many things. Next is studio. A studio is an artist or worker's workroom. This can be for the purpose of photography, filmmaking, etc. For example, for sound recording, there is a specific studio with all the facilities. Tower, a tall, narrow building, usually near another building, church, or castle. In this picture, you can see the Petronas Towers, also known as the Petronas Twin Towers. They remain the tallest twin towers in the world. Next is terrace. A terrace is an external, raised, open, flat area in either a landscape near building or as a roof terrace on a flat roof. Cemetery, an area of ground in which dead bodies are buried. Cathedral, a very big and important church. Lighthouse, a tower that has a powerful light to warn or guide ships out at sea. Outlook, a place from which a view is possible. Auditorium, an auditorium is a room built to enable an audience to hear and watch performances. Like we have an auditorium in our school. Next is stadium, a big sports ground with tiers of seat for spectators. Here, spectator means a person who watches a show or a game. Monument, a statue or building built in memory of a famous person who has passed away. Like this is a picture of the Taj Mahal. It is built in the memory of Mumtaz Mahal by the Emperor Shah Jahan. Some monuments get famous because they are unique and attractive. Next is vault, a type of arch that support a roof for ceiling, especially in a church or public building. Leaning Tower. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is the freestanding bell tower of the Cathedral of the Italian city of Pisa, known worldwide for its nearly 4-degree lean. Now here, freestanding means that does not have support of any other structure. White House. The White House is the official residence and workplace of the President of the United States. It is located in Washington, D.C. It is the capital city of the United States of America, and DC stands for District of Columbia. Hagia Sophia. The Hagia Sophia is an enormous architectural marvel in Istanbul, Turkey. It is famous for its large dome. It was the world's largest building and an engineering marvel of its time. Here, enormous means very large in size. Architectural means that is related to the art of designing and constructing buildings. Marvel is wonderful. Big Ben. Big Ben is the name given to the great bell of the clock in the Elizabeth Tower that is situated in London, which is famous for its accuracy and a huge bell. It took 34 years to build Big Ben. So students, that's all for today, and please do revise all the topics again. Keep checking homework section as well. Don't forget to mention your name, class and section in the comment box. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.